for the demo. All right. Okay. So first is ahead of the pack. So we are going to cover business idioms which will really help you at your workplace. As I stated, ahead of the pack means to be more successful in the competition than the competitors. And the example is if you want to stay ahead of the pack, you have to increase your marketing budget. Second is back to square one. Back to square one means to start something all over again. Okay, because your previous attempt failed. So to make this software finally work, we have to go back to square one. Next is ballpark figure. What is ballpark figure? It's very important. What is ballpark figure? That means a very inexact estimate. जब हम लोग कुछ tentative बोलते हैं ना, that is what ballpark figure. To give you a ballpark figure, how much the border wall to Mexico is going to cost? I would say about $30 million, for example. So when we say tentatively, na, we can say, I can give you a ballpark figure of, let's say, 10,000. You can use that example. Okay? Ballpark number or ballpark figure goes well, rather. Okay? Next is this. I hope you guys are writing it down parallelly. Please ensure. Once you are done, then I'll proceed forward. Okay. Big picture. That means everything that is involved within a particular situation. So, working on all these details, we have lost sight of the bigger picture. I hope it makes sense. It is quite clear, right? Quite evident from the example itself. Right, Shalu, Garisha, Renu, Adip, Preeti? I hope it makes sense. So, as per the students' demand, I am covering business idioms today, which will help at the workplace. Buy the book. Buy the book means whenever you are in your organization and you are following all the rules and regulations which have been provided to you, you can say that I am going by the book. Okay, मैंने अपने आप खुद से नहीं किया है. I am going by the book. Whatever are the norms of the organization, I am following that. मैं वही कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ. Okay, to do things exactly according to the rules or law. So we told our auditors that yes, Shalu.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry for interruption.
Yeah.
Can we use the same examples in our say language or in our business or in our job?
Yes, definitely. You can state these are the best business actually idioms. These are idioms जिसको हम हिंदी में मुहावरे बोलते हैं. These are business idioms that we utilize at the workplace. And nowadays
Okay,
they are
ma'am. So
prominently being
you
utilized.
so you are going to share with us?
I'll share this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
But please do write. Do maintain the habit of writing because once you write, it
Okay,
gets retained in your mind. Okay?
sure, ma'am. Sure.
Next is corner the market. Corner the market means हम किसी की बात कर रहे हैं यार इसने तो बिल्कुल कॉर्नर द मार्केट कर दिया है. मतलब इसने Amazon ने क्या किया है? कॉर्नर कर दिया है ऑनलाइन रिटेलिंग मार्केट को, साइड कर दिया है. ओके, इट हैज बिकम द बिजनेस एंटिटी. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट इज कट थ्रोट. व्हाट इज कट थ्रोट? Very intense. There's a cutthroat competition. So competition in the food retailing business is cutthroat. We know this already, but we don't utilize much. We need to do it. We need to ensure that we instill this in our daily vocabulary. Next is easy come, easy go. That means something gained easily is also lost easily. Okay? So, for example, I lost 500 euros in a poker game last night, but that's life. Easy come, easy go. आसानी से आई हुई चीज बड़ी आसानी से चली भी जाती है. Okay, give me a go ahead once you are done. So we have done already. I'm just going back, giving you a quick gist. First, we have done ahead of the pack. That means you are more successful than the competitors. Back to square one, that means you are back to zero. You are starting something from the scratch. Ballpark figure, that means some tentative figure. Okay. Next is big picture. Everything is involved within a particular situation, a big picture. Okay. You can imagine with a great vision. Buy the book, that means buy the rules. Corner the market, that means to dominate in that particular market. Cutthroat, very intense, especially with competition. Easy come, easy go, something which is gained easily. Of course, it is also lost easily. Another one which I had stated in my previous class, I would like you to revisit. Money begets money. What does that mean? Money begets money. पैसे को पैसा खींचता है. If you invest more in your business, you'll end up generating more business, right? So money begets. What is the ideal meaning of begets? That means kind of produce. Reproduces money, okay? So money gets, I'm writing the spelling, it's not stated here, but I recall this, that's why I'm telling you right away. Money begets money. Easy come, easy go. Likewise, there's another idiomatic expression that you can, yeah, I'm writing it here. Ill gotten, ill spent, right? ऐसा आया वैसा चला जाता है ना जिसको हम बोलते हैं इल गॉटन बुरी बुरी चीज जैसे आप बुरे तरीके से कमा रहे हो अगर गलत तरीके से कमा रहे हो तो वो गलत तरीके से निकल जाएगा इल गॉटन इल स्पेंट ओके सो इट कैन बी अ synonymous language easy come easy go okay game plan so game plan that means a strategy or plan for achieving success so what is a game plan okay when you conspire for something okay कि हम ऐसा कुछ करते हैं let's beat the competitor. So we can say, what is our game plan for dealing with our new competitor? Next is get down to business. What is get down to business? Stop making small talk and start talking about serious business topics. Right? This is what we often use. I don't know about all of you, but yes, this is most commonly utilized that please come back to the point, get down to the business. Let's not beat around the bush. You know, beat around the bush? What is the meaning of beat around the bush? Som, unmute yourself. Kindly unmute yourself.
Beat around the bush is emphasizing on not so important things.
Exactly. So you are going off track and you're not coming to the point. Okay. So there's another idiomatic expression for come to the point. जैसे ही मैंने बोला मुझे याद आ गया. That's let's cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. That means come to the point. Okay. But you can use it casually in informal topics like cut to the chase. Cut to the chase means come to the point. Cut it short कहते हैं ना? Come to the point. Get down to business done. Get something off the ground. Okay? So जब आपने एक planning phase finish कर लिया है and you want the project to now go off the ground. That's how you say it. Let make it go off the ground. Whereas if you are a Python programmer, it will really help you. That means the code is ready to be published. Okay? So we can make it go off the ground. Do you know go in vain? All my जैसे मैं आपको बोलती हूँ please work hard otherwise our collective efforts will go in vain because I believe that if you don't use it you will lose it correct जब तक आप words vocabulary को use नहीं करेंगे तब तक आपको profit नहीं होने वाला You will forget it, you will lose it. So that is something, it will go in vain. VAIN, go in vain. Likewise, you can also say go down the drain. Okay, कई लोग go in vain बोलते हैं, कई लोग, अब vain it's not VEIN, it's VAIN, go in vain. Or the other one is go down the drain, like something is completely wasted or lost. So all our efforts in entering this new market went down the drain. हम नई मार्केट में घुसे और हमारे पुराने एफर्ट्स खराब हो गए. All right? Okay. Next one. Go the extra mile. We know it, right? Correct? To do more than what people expect. We also say burning the midnight oil. Have you guys heard it? Kindly unmute yourself. I want interaction. I don't want one-way communication. Until and unless there is not much of background noise from somebody's end, that's pretty okay. They can keep themselves mute. Otherwise, I want you to come on board and please discuss. I would love that interaction. Hanji guys, I said something just now. What was that? क्या बोला वारिस, सॉन्ग, अदीब, मैंने क्या बोला? What was the question? Do you know the meaning of burning the midnight oil? आपका कल कोई टास्क लाइंड अप है, आपने काम नहीं किया है. जैसे मैंने वारिस को बोला मुझे डेली ऐसे सबमिट करोगे, तुम्हारा एग्जाम लाइंड अप है 15 days में, तो you will have to burn the midnight oil. रात भर जाग जाग के मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. You'll have to burn the midnight oil. So you can say I'm trying to burn the midnight oil. Ma'am, I'm burning the midnight oil. Okay?
जी मैम.
Burn the midnight oil. So you will not get these idioms here. These are what actually I'm nudging out of my mind while interacting with you guys. Okay? My hands are
Now,
tied.
can you replace another sentence with this burning the midnight
I
oil?
just framed one.
Can you just replace another a bit longer?
If you want to succeed in your examination, you really have to burn the midnight oil.
Okay.
If you want to ace the IELTS exam within 15 days, you will have to burn the midnight oil. Okay? Hands are tied. Hands are tied means when you can't make some decision, you are not free to behave. Like all our hands are tied when we are working in the organization. हमें कुछ चीजें पता है वो गलत हो रही हैं, but we cannot do anything because our hands are tied. Correct? That means we are not free to execute certain things. Next is in a nutshell. That is very, very common. So to summarize, in a nutshell, that means using as few words as possible to explain something. आपने कुछ सुना और आपने बोला in a nutshell we will run out of cash in 3 months time. जब भी आपको बोलना है कि मेरी ये चीज खत्म हो रही है, like there was one student who was attending the class and he told me, ma'am, my battery is dead. Okay, so can't you say my battery is running out of charge? Could you please allow me a moment to charge my laptop? We can say this, right? Ma'am, could you please allow me a minute to charge my laptop because my laptop is running out of charge. Running out of charge. Likewise, आपको बोलना है कि आपकी गाड़ी का पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया है ना, तो आप क्या बोलते हो? It's over, petrol is over. So my vehicle, yeah, my car is running out of fuel. Okay? I need to get it filled at the fuel station. हम पेट्रोल पंप बोलते हैं. What is the other word? Fuel station.
gas station.
Okay? Makes sense, right? Next is in full swing. In full swing मतलब the project is going in full swing. The preparation is going in full swing. Right, song? जब भी आप कोई चीज बहुत ज़्यादा लेवल पे कर रहे हो, at its highest level, you can say it is in full swing. you are in the driving seat or driver's seat. Okay, so to be in charge or control of a situation. So being offered the position of managing director, I will soon be in the driver's seat. Okay, you're not sitting at the back and just observing and working. No, you have to drive the project. So you will be in the driver's seat. Okay, makes sense? So are we writing it down? Or are we just listening to it? So we need to inculcate this habit of writing, because in IELTS, you will get IELTS writing part 2, which requires you to write more than 250 words. Correct? So 250 plus 150, how many words in total? Around 400 words in 60 minutes.
400.
So you really should be in the habit of writing, because thanks to the world of digitization, we are quite tech savvy these days. Tech savvy, you understand? Right? What is the, how do you spell savvy? It's SAVVY. It's not SAVY. Tech savvy. Okay, so we are quite tech savvy these days, तो हमें habit ही नहीं है writing की. And बहुत clear IELTS में लिखा हुआ है that your writing should be legible. Legible का मतलब होता है readable. Okay, it's LEGIBLE. So you will exert a negative effect on your score if you do not maintain a good
कंप्यूटर बेस्ड भी तो है ना.
yes, yeah, we have some people who are computer based. That is true. No worries. Okay, learn the ropes. See, I generally utilize. Let me share this thing with you guys. जब मेरे पास बहुत काम होता है ना, मैं बोलती हूँ I am at the end of my rope. मेरा बस हो गया. I am at the end of my rope. इससे ज़्यादा करूँगी, I will burst. Okay, so I am at the end of my rope. So when you are back, you are कह रहे हो मैम मैं बहुत back हूँ. So I am swamped with work. क्या बोला? I am swamped with work. मतलब मैं काम में डूबा हुआ हूँ. उससे ऊपर मैं काम नहीं ले सकती. And if your boss comes up, you know, oh, what is Som, Shalu, Garisha, maybe anyone, कि आप ये काम भी कर लो. You say, I'm swamped with work already. Sorry, I cannot do it. Okay? I am swamped with work. It depends. There are people who cannot use that at the workplace.
Swamp means mess. Please
I'm
spell
typing. I'm
swamp.
writing. I'm swamped. डूबा हुआ हूँ. I'm swamped with work. Likewise, अगर आप कहना चाह रहे हो मेरे पास बहुत काम है, I have a lot on my plate. Lot on my plate. क्या हम लोग bandwidth जानते हैं? What is bandwidth? We know bandwidth. जब आपको बोलना ना कि
नहीं.
मेरा
I have heard, but I
नेटवर्क की bandwidth सुना है? नेटवर्क
can't
की bandwidth
remember.
सुना है?
हाँ.
वो bandwidth
Yes.
बोलते हैं. It's bandwidth. Band. The silent होता है. It's bandwidth.
Bang.
So I am at my full bandwidth. मतलब इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं. Okay? So these are some idiomatic expressions which you can utilize and it will give a very good impact. Okay? Because this is what normally people do not speak, and this is advanced English. This is not basic English. Okay? Are we clear? I'm swamped with work. Garisha,
Yes.
is it clear? At least you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
reply with okay. Preeti, Renu, I hope that makes sense to all of you. I am swamped with work. I have a lot on my plate. I am at my full bandwidth. Okay? Next one is long shot. What is long shot? That means जरूरी नहीं है यार, पर हो जाए. Long shot. Winning the lottery is a long shot. बड़े कम chances है. Very low probability of something happening. Okay? So I have filled
जी.
in the form, but it's a long shot. I don't think I will succeed with that. Okay, but long shot. कितने लोगों ने try किया? Okay? Likewise, no brainer. What is no brainer? Something that is really obvious, yeah? Yes. Something that is really obvious. Make, yeah, Shalu, tell me. Yes.
I have put my hard-earned money in my business, but that is not necessary that goes long
No,
shot. But ma'am, is this
लॉन्ग शॉट मतलब किसी चीज के बहुत कम प्रोबेबिलिटी है आने की। जैसे लोग बहुत सारे घरों के घर के लिए फॉर्म निकलते हैं ना, लोग फॉर्म भर देते हैं कि
okay?
हमारा
Okay,
घर निकल जाए या लॉटरी निकल जाए।
yes, ma'am.
सो वो क्योंकि देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु फिलिंग
Yeah,
दैट, सो इट्स अ लॉन्ग शॉट, यू नेवर नो निकले नहीं निकले। ओके। और जब कोई
okay,
चीज
ma'am.
ऑलरेडी इतनी ऑब्वियस है जहां दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा, यू कैन से इट्स अ नो ब्रेनर। So making money working for an investment bank is a no-brainer, right, Som? I think Som is from some investment bank, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So my
Functional
mind does not work like a sieve. My mind does not work like a sieve. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? मुझे याद रहता है, मैं भूलती नहीं हूँ। Okay? My mind does not work like a sieve. Sieve क्या होता है? छन्नी। We know strainer, we know छन्नी, छन्नी. That is sieve. So जब आपको कई बार नहीं याद रहता ना, तो आप बोलते हो आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टू माय माइंड, इट इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ सीव। मतलब कुछ याद आता है, कुछ नहीं आता। ओके, माय माइंड इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ सीव। सीव,
C.
या सीव, यू नो सीव? नहीं,
Not before S.
माइंड इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ सीव। मेक सेंस?
C. Okay.
Done. No strings attached. Okay, so something is given without involving special demands or limits. कि हम कहते हैं ना, हम नहीं एक्सपेक्ट
जी
करेंगे क्या वो सोचते हैं क्या नहीं, बस हमने अपना कर्म करना है। लेट अस डू आवर पार्ट, है ना? इट्स ओवर टू देम। So they will let you try the product for free with no strings attached. That means no limits. Clear? Next is not
जी
going to
मैम
fly. So something isn't expected to work out. This product is definitely not going to fly. इसका ज़्यादा फ्यूचर नहीं है। This product is definitely not going to fly. हम लोग on the same page यूज करते हैं। On the same page मतलब I am on the same page with you. So I am in agreement about something. I concur that. मतलब concur मतलब मैं भी agree करती हूँ इस चीज से। Okay? So let's go over the contract details once more to make sure we are on the same page. मतलब आपको भी वही समझ में आया है जो मुझे समझ में आया है। Next is out in the open. That means the product is now out in the open. That means it is of public knowledge. Okay? Yeah.
Open for
So
public.
something that is public knowledge and not secret anymore, that means it is out in the open. When there are two people who have actually hidden their relationship, they can say that now our relationship is out in the open. Everyone knows about it. Okay? ये तो हम सब ने सुना होगा, isn't it? है ना?
Put all.
Put all eggs in one basket. That means to take risk. You are relying on one thing to bring success. So being investment banker, Som, please shed some light on this and explain. Now you will give the example.
Put all one's eggs in one basket. Not to buy like not to invest all your money in a but
One entity,
in one
right?
like in one entity or sort of like one industry.
Okay. For
like it's, it shouldn't one shouldn't put all his money in Adani stocks right now.
because it is not advisable to put all your eggs in one basket. Okay, we can add limits.
Okay.
So
Okay.
raise the bar. Uh, Second one is not that important. Okay, so raise the bar. What is raise the bar? Raise the standard. Is to set some standards. So the iPhone raised the bar for smartphone makers. Correct? Raise the bar. What is red tape?
Yeah.
कई कबार ऐसे ऑफिशियल रूल्स होते हैं जो बहुत एक्सेसिव होते हैं और दे आर अननेसेसरीली देयर इन द सिस्टम. जबरदस्ती की बातें कहते हैं ना हम लोग, जब हम लोग वर्क प्लेस पे, तो यार ये जबरदस्ती की बात है, फालतू के रूल्स बना रखे हैं, इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं है ना. So the new law is going to create a lot of red tape. Okay, red tape, that means something which is not that needed. Okay, it's not that relevant rather.
Necessary.
Okay, here I go with the next. Same boat, we know. We all are in the same boat. We want to go for IELTS.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
all are in the same boat. Okay, what is safe bet? Something that is certain to happen, जो होगा. It is a safe bet. मतलब ये तो पक्का होगा. जब हम कहते हैं तो पक्की बात है, होना ही है. And when हम उस स्टेट में होते हैं जब हम कहते हैं ना शर्त लगा लो, पक्की बात है. So that's a safe bet. Okay, that the probability of you being the winner is ensured. Okay, it's a safe bet. Okay, rock the boat, that means to do or say something that will upset people or cause problems. So हम लोग कहते हैं ना, do not burn your bridges. Have you heard about this phrase? Do not burn your bridges. किसी ने आप लोगों में से ये सुना है? जैसे आपने किसी क्लाइंट
Do
से
not.
बात करी, राइट? आपने किसी क्लाइंट
No,
से
ma'am.
बात करी. अब वो क्लाइंट थोड़ा सा स्टिंजी था, कंजूस था. ओके, और आपका एक आर्ग्यूमेंट हो गया उससे, और आर्ग्यूमेंट इतना ज्यादा हो गया कि आप कल को ना वो दोबारा भी वो करना चाहेगा ना, तो ना आप बेच पाओगे ना वो लेगा. इट्स नेवर, इट शुड बी लाइक कि आप कभी भी करो बट नेवर बर्न योर ब्रिजेस. यू नेवर नो कब कौन काम आ जाए. नेवर बर्न योर ब्रिजेस विद एनीवन. Okay, so it is advisable not to burn your bridges. Make sense? So you should try to maintain
Yes,
relationship
ma'am.
with people. Okay, all right. See eye to eye. अब eye for an eye अलग होता है, eye to eye अलग होता है. Eye for an eye means बदला, बदला, revenge, vengeance, बदला.
Badlo. Revenge.
What is vengeance? बदला. You know the spelling of vengeance? Here I go.
Yes, ma'am.
Revenge, बदला. क्या होता है आई फॉर एन आई? ये क्या है? आई टू आई. आई टू आई मतलब एग्री करना. my boss doesn't see eye to eye with me about our marketing campaign. उसकी कुछ और thought process है, मेरी कुछ और thought process है. We are not on the same page. He doesn't agree with me on this. Okay, so he doesn't see eye to eye with me. You should know how to incorporate it. Okay, doesn't see eye to eye. I don't know. Are you saying something, Son? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Shall I proceed forward, guys? So यहाँ पे ना ये ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ज़्यादा कोर आइल्स में आएगा, but it is to actually uplift you guys. Okay? You all are working professionals. It is going to really benefit you. And if at all you can utilize that, अगर आपका किसी वर्क प्लेस की बात हो रही है और आपसे कुछ पूछा गया ऐसा क्वेश्चन, definitely you can incorporate these idioms. Okay? Smooth sailing क्या होता है? आपको कोई ऐसा काम मिला, आपको कोई ऐसा काम अलॉट हुआ जो बड़े आराम से हो गया और उसमें आपको बहुत मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी, तो आप अपने पियर से बात कर रहे हो, अपने कलीग से बात कर रहे हो, यार इट वाज अ स्मूथ सेलिंग, इसमें इतने एफर्ट्स नहीं डालने पड़े। ठीक है, क्या होता है स्मूथ सेलिंग? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वंस आवर लार्जेस्ट कॉम्पिटिटर वेंट आउट ऑफ बिजनेस, इट वाज स्मूथ सेलिंग, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं हुई फिर तो। ओके, कैन वी सी the rest? Sever ties, shoot something down.
Ties.
Shoot it down या shoot it कह देना, shoot it मतलब drop it. Okay, moving to next. Stand one's ground. जब आप कहते हो ना मैं अपनी बात पे अड़ा रहा, I stood my ground, क्या बोलते हैं? I stood my ground, मैं अपनी बात पे अड़ा रहा. I didn't change my opinion or position out of any pressure. Okay, I stood my ground. Talk someone into something, that means to convince somebody to do something. So I was reluctant, मतलब मैं ज़्यादा interested नहीं था to redesign our website, but my employees talked me into it, मतलब उन्होंने मुझे convince कर लिया कि आप करो. Okay, they talked me into it. All right, this is repetition here. Elephant in the room. It's quite funny, but it is commonly utilized as well. अगर आप लोग उस वर्क प्लेस पे हैं जहाँ पे मैनेजर्स काफ़ी अच्छी इंग्लिश, दे हैव गुड कमांड ओवर इंग्लिश, दे पोजेस गुड इंग्लिश लेवल, इन दैट केस दे माइट स्टेट दिस. तो एलिफेंट इन द रूम क्या होता है? एक ऑब्वियस प्रॉब्लम या ऐसा इशू दैट नो वन वांट्स टू डिस्कस. ओके, थिंक आउटसाइड द बॉक्स मतलब थिंक डिफरेंटली. टाइम इज अप, टाइम फॉर समथिंग इज एंडेड. या जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ, आप लोगों को कल मैंने टाइम दिया है ना फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशन, सो आई टोल्ड यू द क्लॉक इज टिकिंग. द क्लॉक इज टिकिंग मतलब टाइमर स्टार्ट हो चुका है, इट विल बी सून, द टाइम विल बी अप. ओके, क्लॉक इज टिकिंग एंड देन वंस इट इज डन आई सेड टाइम इज अप. टच बेस, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. टच बेस होता है टू मेक कांटेक्ट विद समवन.
Yes.
या कई बार हमें क्लाइंट से फॉलो अप करना पड़ता है ना, या उनसे उन्होंने हमें कोई स्टेटस अपडेट दिया या हमने उनसे स्टेटस अपडेट लिया, तो वो क्या होता है? आई टच बेस्ड विद द क्लाइंट. या मैं
I used it today.
Oh wow.
I used it today in actual
I told
mail.
you right earlier. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, in a
touch
conversation.
base means कि मैं follow up लूँगा client से. I will touch base with the client. Very nice. You should utilize it, sir. Okay, everyone should utilize it. The more you will do it, the more you will be benefited. All right. Next. ये बड़ा अच्छा है. Twist someone's arm. What is twist someone's arm? That means to convince someone to do something जो वो करना नहीं
Will
चाहता.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, twist someone's
Just
arm.
one thing.
So बॉस ने कहा यार बजट बहुत हाई है, मैं नहीं करूँगा इसको, बट यू एक्चुअली कन्विंस्ड हिम कि करना है, तो उन्होंने कर दिया. सो यू हैड टू ट्विस्ट हिज आर्म टू गेट हिम टू अग्री टू इट. मतलब उनको मनाने के लिए आपको उनको थोड़ा सा घुमाना पड़ा, कन्विंस करना पड़ा. अप इन द एयर. आपसे मैं पूछती हूँ कि टॉपिक का क्या स्टेटस है. मैंने आप लोगों को कल कहा था कि 6 क्वेश्चंस करके आने. क्या स्टेटस है? आप कहोगे मैम इट इज अप इन द एयर, मतलब अभी तक नहीं करा, अनसर्टेन है, अभी डिसाइडेड नहीं कब करेंगे कब नहीं. इट्स अप इन द एयर, है ना? वेरी बैड. अपर हैंड क्या होता है? मुझे अपर हैंड मिलेगा. वी नो ऑलरेडी, राइट? ड्यू टू माय एक्सपीरियंस
Yes.
आई हैड द अपर हैंड इन द आर्गुमेंट. its hand, upper hand. Okay. Word of mouth we know बहुत कॉमन है. जैसे आप मेरे पास आए, you liked my face.
Subjects here.
Okay. So you might convey to someone कि यार मेरा
Commitment.
मामा आगे talk. So that is what? That is word of mouth. Okay. So something is given or done by people talking about something or telling people about something. Okay. बहुत से local stores rely on word of mouth to get new customers. Okay. All right.